Welcome to Rudy's RV Care and Maintenance video series. Today's helpful RV roofing care ideas are presented by Rudy's good friend, Mark Polk, from RV Education 101.
Hi, I'm Mark Polk with RV Education 101. Today I want to talk about protecting your RV roof with a coating that is specifically designed for the type of roof material your RV has. Coating your RV roof is one of the best investments you can make in extending and refreshing the look of your RV roof. Your RV roof is constantly exposed to harsh elements, including the sun, rain, hail, snow, and wind-blowing debris, along with being subjected to a wide range of temperature and humidity conditions. Whatever conditions your roof is exposed to, the right coating system will help give your roof a brighter, cleaner look over a longer period of time and enhance the value of your RV. Today's video will concentrate on metal RV roof coatings. Let's get started right now. For metal RV roofs, products like Dicor's elastomeric metal RV roof coating provides a brilliant white finish to aid in heat reflection, which helps lower interior temperatures while reducing environmental and weathering effects on the finish. When used in conjunction with Dicor's Rust Inhibitive primer, the potential for corrosion is also reduced. Dicor's metal RV roof coating protects and beautifies metal, aluminum, steel, and previously coated RV roofs. Elastomeric metal RV roof coating is formulated with 100% acrylic resins to form a flexible rubber coating that will expand and contract with the RV roof's movement. Not recommended for EPDM rubber or TPO roofing. The first step is to remove all loose dirt, oil, rust, chalk, mildew, loose coatings, or other contaminants which would prevent maximum adhesion of the new roof coating. If chalk remains on a previously painted roof, repeated washings may be necessary. Thoroughly rinse with water and allow it to dry completely before proceeding. Make sure all surfaces are sound and clean and that all rust has been removed down to bright metal using mechanical methods such as a wire brush, sandpaper, or steel wool. Prime any clean rust-removed surfaces with Dicor Metal Rust Inhibitive Primer. Seal all fasteners and around all roof protrusions and vent mountings with Dicor Lap Sealant. Seal all joints and roof seams with Dicor Coating Ready Cover Tape. Warning: if you scrape, sand, or remove old paint, you may release lead dust. Lead is toxic. Exposure to lead dust can cause serious illness such as brain damage, especially in children. Pregnant women should also avoid exposure to lead. Metal RV roof coating is for use on the roof surface only. It is recommended to cover and protect the exterior sidewalls as well as the front and rear caps of the RV with plastic sheeting to avoid the coating from sticking to surfaces other than the roof. If the coating comes in contact with any surface other than the roof, wash it off immediately. Metal RV roof coating application. Apply unthinned at the rate of 200 square feet per gallon per coat. For maximum performance, 2 coats are required. Apply each coat at right angles to each other by brush or roller. The first coat must be dry before the second coat is applied. Under normal conditions of 70° Fahrenheit and 50% relative humidity, the second coat may be applied within 1 to 2 hours at the same rate as the first coat. In order to prevent any chance of wash-off of freshly applied coating, do not apply at temperatures below 50 degrees or when rainfall, cold, darkness, or high humidity are expected within 4 hours after application. During these 4 hours, at least 2 hours should be in direct sunlight. Allow 24 hours for full cure. Cleanup. When you are finished, clean brushes, tools, and other equipment with soapy water immediately after use. Dried film is difficult to remove from any surface. If coating is subjected to rain before it has properly dried and wash-off occurs, it is necessary to immediately wash stained surfaces with soapy water to prevent staining.
We hope you found this video helpful. Please visit our website for more of Rudy's helpful roofing resources.